2005 I was in
Syria.
Turkish. I was
Right.
1 year there. Syria I come and pass. Turkey
Yeah.
1 year. In 2006 I was in Greece.
Okay, and then you left in you said 6 years, right?
Yeah.
So it's 2012
Yeah.
you left. And
Yeah.
where did you go from there?
From there I come I was in Bulgaria, but not too much time. After I left to Belgium, I was there 3 months in Belgium.
In Belgium.
Yeah.
Okay. And how did you travel across land? Did you fly?
In Syria, between Syria to Turkish, I go by foot.
Yeah.
Syria to Turkish to Greece,
Yeah.
the same
Yeah.
by foot. But when I was in Greece, so I ran for jail and government police searching me.
Yeah.
And I know I will be back in jail is
Yeah.
problem for me. I buy papers, Belgium nationality. We have same faces, same hair and everything. So I go in airport by my heart because I know if I didn't do it by heart, then police can catch me. I go in, how we say, in airport.
Yeah.
They say first I give them my papers. They throw. They say my paper is not good. And I was making troubles there. They call police. Police comes. They say, okay, we're gonna go to check if the paper is for you or not.
Okay.
So when I go, they try to make you afraid. Say, okay, we're gonna take your fingers and we're gonna see. If you're afraid and say, oh, it's not me, you have problems. But if you say my heart, yes, it's me.
Okay.
After in the end,
Yeah.
they let you go.
Okay.
Yeah, I say with power is me. They do everything, and they say it's him.
Okay.
I go to Belgium.
And so you flew from Greece to Belgium.
Yeah.
And why Belgium? Why did you want to go there?
Before I won't go to Belgium, a friend of mine there told
Okay.
me you can come here, you see how it happen. And then I was in Belgium, I see there is hard too.
Okay.
And I come France
So-
because my
okay.
father was soldier. When Germany was fighting in France, my father was here.
Your father was what, in the Second World War?
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Fighting with the French.
yeah.
Okay.
But when I come here, ask my nationality, they say your father didn't sign.
Okay.
That means they don't like us now.
So when you came to France, where did you go? You were Paris or somewhere else?
Yeah, I was in Paris, but there is difficult because I was under the bridge in Sarcelles. It's horrible.
Would you claim asylum in France? Would
Yeah.
you do that? Have you tried to do that?
Now I try to do that.
When did you put in your application?
And I don't remember that,
But I mean, approximately.
like 1 year now.
Okay. Okay. So maybe soon you may have an application. Okay.